Titi, how can we solve this math?
I don't even know. This math is very difficult.
Difficult. Hi.
Nebokopeze is back. I know he's a very good mathematician. He will help us to solve this math very, very well.
Very well, yes. Kopeze, please come.
Come.
Otibo, this one you sent for me, what's happening?
Mathematician international.
What's going on here?
See the maths wey Kopemeka give us.
What happened to the maths? Is it LCM or HCF?
No, this one pass HCF and LCM.
Read it, let me.
What is the value of S in 2S plus 3 equals to 9?
That S, is it capital X or small x?
Capital X.
Capital.
Yes.
You never finish, number 2.
Another one?
Yes. Find y in this equation. 3y minus 4 equals to 5.
Hey! That's your own y. Is it capital or small?
A small y, oh.
What kind of temptation is this? More solving x, solving y, finding x. Mwenga secondary school, I'm a good no one on mpasata. Now I I'm an exam practice. Can you pass your mass? Hachid no no book copper. Makuko. I'm going to see go university. I know. Okay. Who gave you this assignment? You say Kopemeka gave you this assignment, and you want me to give you the expo, solve it for you, right? One more. The truth is, I am a choosing. You don't do exam practice. I don't encourage exam practice. I am a choosing. Otibo, I am a choosing. You solve your answer yourself. You get your answer yourself. Get your grade. I don't do exam practice. I am a choosing. So, you want me to solve this thing for both of you so that tomorrow you go to school and do bugao?
No.
Titi, I am a choosing. We don't do exam practice. I cannot just give you answer. You go and submit tomorrow. You have 10/10. I cannot do such thing now. You know why? I am a choosing. You know I know maths, right? I cannot just give you the answer like that. Tomorrow you pass. Because I am a choosing. Don't know your raputa. You don't know how to copper my copper. Now I am pass maths. Even Kemba University. What did I do there? You want me to solve find UX, find UY? How can I continue finding what I don't know? Come statement. It's better I say I am a choosing. No dream album even natural X, natural Y. Doesn't make mistake. It's not better I discharge them like this. Am I not a choosing? We are the choosing generation, the peculiar people. We are the choosing generation. Come for to show His excellence. I require for life. God has given me. I know who I am. I know who God says I am. What He says I am. He says I am. I know who I am.